Kuya. Kuya, just proceed to Kuya JC and he will guide you.
Badmin, JC.
I need one more young volunteer.
JC,
One more
admin.
young volunteer. Alright, Kuya. Kuya, just proceed to Kuya Ariel and he will assist you. Kuya JC, is your volunteer ready? How about the volunteer Kuya Ariel? Is he ready? And since everyone is ready, let's all welcome our cute entrepreneurs, Simon and Theo.
Mukha ni Tam-Tam na ko.
Thank you so much. Entrepreneurs are also known as Thai parakeet. They are native to northeastern of South America. These birds are known for their very loud squawking and for their bright coloration.
Kenny.
Sad to say, these birds are endangered due to the destructions of their habitat and trapping for the predator.
Oh.
Let's make goodbye to our cute entrepreneurs, Simon and Theo. For our next animal friend, I need one adult volunteer who has a peso bill. A volunteer who has a peso bill.
Kylie.
20 pesos or 50 peso bill. Anyone? Alright, sir. Just proceed to Kuya Ariel and he will tell you what to do.
Palit daw si Kenny. Kapalit na lang daw si Kenny.
Now, everyone, let's all meet Ola! Ola is our rose-breasted cockatoo, or commonly known as Gala. This bird is originated from Australia. Now, sir, are you ready? Ready, sir?
Ang gagal-gal yun.
Then, Ola, you know what to do.
Bye!
Alright! I'll get here a 500 peso bill. Thank you so much, sir. Now this time, how about another volunteer with a higher bill? Anyone? How
Balik
about
dia